Hi, I'm J.R. Jordan, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Colorado Bankers Services. I'm here to talk to you today about one of the most important products that you can provide to your clients, critical illness insurance. I'm also a board member of the National Association of Critical Illness Insurance, and I can tell you one thing. If you're not offering critical illness insurance to your clients, somebody else is. Critical illness insurance is one of the best ways to stay reform ready in our current changing economic environment and our current changing healthcare environment. I want to show you the right product for today's needs and the right product for the future. At CBS Insurance, we work for you. It's not just a tagline or a slogan, it's the absolute truth. We're all insurance agents. In fact, I learned how to sell insurance with a yellow pad and 3 circles. My father, James Eric Jordan Sr., was in the health insurance industry for 30 plus years. His last year in the major medical space, he did over $330 million worth of health insurance premium. But he knew things were changing. He looked at critical illness and he saw a product that could fit so many different marketplaces, and he knew it would work well. Our plan starts as little as $20 a month in most cases, and we have online enrollment. You can go to our website, cbsinsurance.net, and find out tons of useful information, product training, sales training. You can also find sales material and other things that are going to help you out tremendously in your marketing efforts. We work for you and we update that site on a daily basis to make sure that you have the tools that you need to succeed. Now, I want to talk to you today about critical illness insurance and about a product that's near and dear to my heart, and a product that I think is going to revolutionize the way that you sell insurance. If you're currently not selling critical illness insurance, if you came here today to watch this video to find out why you should sell critical illness insurance, this time is going to be well worth it. Our plan is absolutely amazing. It covers a ton of different critical illnesses, and it's also on a life insurance chassis. Now, don't let anybody tell you different. Life insurance chassis, in my personal opinion, is the way to go. A life insurance chassis protects your clients' rates. It also protects your residuals. It also gives your clients, their beneficiaries, their estate, money if, God forbid, they pass away. Life insurance, as you know it, is now death insurance. Critical illness insurance is true living insurance. It's money when you need it the most. Our plan covers a whole bunch of critical illnesses: heart attack, life-threatening cancer, stroke, major organ transplant, terminal illness, renal failure, and like I said, death from any cause. We also cover advanced Alzheimer's disease, loss of independent living, loss of limbs, major burns, and paralysis. But we also have partial benefits on our plan. Those partial benefits include coronary bypass surgery, heart valve replacement or repair, aortic surgery, and angioplasty. Now, these are benefits paid directly to you in addition to any other insurance that you may have, and there are 0 occupational exclusions on this plan. Why do you need critical illness insurance? Well, bottom line is, maybe you have major medical insurance. Maybe you have a limited medical plan. That's great. But it's only going to pay the major bills associated with that critical illness. Who's going to pay the rest of your lifestyle? Bottom line is, major medical insurance does not give you lump sum cash to pay your house payment, your car payment, your truck payment. It doesn't give you money to put groceries on the table, to keep the lights on, to put clothes on your kids' back, shoes on their feet, gas in their car. What if you need home health care as a result of that critical illness? What if you need a cost of a caregiver? Lost income on yourself or your spouse? This needs to be sold to the husband and wife or the spouse and spouse every single time. God forbid something happen to me or my spouse, we'd want to be by each other's side in our time of need. Well, that's lost income on both of us. That's why we own a critical illness plan on each of us. Your daily living expenses, co-pays and deductibles. That major medical company still wants their copay and deductible money, even though you're going through one of the worst times in your entire life. Do you know of a major medical company that pays for experimental treatments? Because I surely don't. With critical illness insurance, you get a lump sum payment directly to you in addition to any other insurance that you have, and you can use that money for whatever you want. You get a check for $25, $50, $100, $250,000. You're going to be able to afford that experimental treatment that you need. Housekeeping or childcare expenses, maintenance of your family's quality of life. Critical illness insurance is there to protect you and your family and everything that you have built. Half of all men are going to have cancer at some point in their lifetime. 1 out of every 3 women will be diagnosed with cancer. 1 out of every 5 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer. Every 45 to 60 seconds, there's a heart attack and stroke. It's not if a critical illness is going to occur, it's when. And you're going to need to have critical illness insurance to get you through those rough times. A lot of people ask me, JR, where can I sell this product? I always answer with, where can't you sell this product? With our plan, it's great for membership add-ons. You have your clients that cannot afford traditional major medical insurance, or they can't qualify. A limited medical plan and a critical illness plan, along with accident insurance, and they've got one heck of a coverage. Mortgage protection. I'm going to show you a slide done by Harvard University that's going to blow your mind. That slide alone should get you to start selling critical illness insurance. This plan is perfect for buy-sell agreements. Health insurance. This product was made for health insurance. If you take a client that's on a $500 or $1,000 deductible and you raise them to a $5,000 deductible, they're going to save over $200 a month on a national average. Take that $200 and sell critical illness insurance to the husband and wife or the spouse and spouse for $40. Again, $40 to the husband and wife or spouse and spouse, and add in accident protection for only $44.95. That total cost is $125. But remember, we saved them $200 initially. $200 minus $125 is $75. $75 times 12 is $900. You just gave your clients health insurance that they need, critical illness coverage, which is true living insurance. You also gave them death insurance, God forbid. You also gave them accident insurance, Call MD, emergency air ambulance, and so much more. And your client's still saving $75 per month. You just sold health insurance through a health insurance company, critical illness through a critical illness company, and accident insurance through an accident company. This is the best way to keep you reform ready in your sales. If your client gets denied that health insurance coverage, they still have critical illness and accident, and your commissions are still in place. This is the way to sell to your clients. This is the way to maximize your commission during healthcare reform, stay reform ready, and give your clients more coverage than they've ever had before. And that's just amazing for your clients. Saving money and getting more. You need to be aware of the checkbox. And you can actually go to our website and click the article, Beware of the Checkbox. Last thing you want to do is take a health insurance application and click the box for critical illness coverage and click the box for accident coverage. When that health insurance application gets denied, your clients no longer have critical illness or accident. Stay with a health insurance company for your health insurance needs, an accident insurance for your accident insurance needs, and a critical illness insurance company for your critical illness needs. We also do this product for singles. And bottom line is, singles do not buy life insurance because they say they have no one to leave it to. Well, if that's the case and they have no one to leave it to, who's going to take care of them if they suffer a critical illness? The payroll market. We're absolutely huge in payroll. Give us 3 lives or more, and we can handle it for you. We've done numerous counties, cities, municipalities, fire departments, police departments, airline associations, you name it. Like I said, we have 0 occupational exclusions. Your existing clients, your warm market. This couldn't be better. Hi, I'm JR. I sold you health insurance about a year or so ago. I've got a plan that I put together that I believe is going to give you more coverage than you've ever had before, and it's going to save you about $75 a month. How about tomorrow at 1 o'clock? In these economic times, people want more coverage for less, and you're going to be able to provide that to them. This is a great disability supplement because it pays directly to your clients in addition to any other insurance that they have, and they can use these monies for whatever they want. Family protection, house spouses. Bottom line is it's not if it's going to happen, it's when it's going to happen. Everyone knows somebody that suffered a critical illness. Make sure you protect your clients when that day comes. Self-employed market. We are the self-employed market. We carry the largest amount of debt there is. It's absolutely astronomical. Could you go without a commission check for 3 to 6 months? If you can, I applaud you. If you can't, you need to buy critical illness insurance. If you can, you need to buy critical illness insurance. If you are savvy enough to save that much money for 3 to 6 months worth of income, you're savvy enough to put $20, $30, $40 a month of premium for critical illness protection to cover those savings and those assets. And college funding. I'm not going to sit here and say we're going to pay you for your son or daughter's college, but what I am going to tell you is, God forbid you have a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, the big three. You're not going to have to call up your son or daughter and have them come home because you can't afford tuition payments anymore. Now, I told you mortgage protection, and if this doesn't get you to sell critical illness insurance, I don't know what will. Harvard University put together a study back in 2006. Over 60% of personal bankruptcies were caused by illness or medical debt. Over 2.5 million Americans are estimated to have a medically caused bankruptcy each and every year. And get this blows me away. 75.7% of debtors that had medical bankruptcies also had health insurance at the time of filing. What didn't they have? Critical illness coverage. $13,460 was the average out-of-pocket medical expenses covering copays, deductibles, and uncovered health services for bankruptcy filers. Less than $14,000. In the individual critical illness market space, $40 a month is the average premium, $40,000 is the average face amount, and according to the National Association of Critical Illness Insurance, the average age you're going to suffer a critical illness is 43. I like to call them 40, 40, and 40. Now, if one of our average clients had a critical illness, they would add $40,000. After they paid off the $13,460, they would have had $26,540 left over to pay their rent payment, their car payment, their truck payment, their mortgage, to put groceries on the table, to keep the lights on, put the clothes on the kids' back, shoes on their feet, gas in the car, and they still would have had money left over. They would not have to be another bankruptcy statistic. Critical illness insurance is the right product for today, the right product for tomorrow, the right product for everyone. Everyone knows somebody that suffered a critical illness. Are you going to be there? Are you going to provide them with the coverage that they desperately need? Remember, it's money that goes directly to them in addition to any other insurance that they have. With our product, it's simplified issue. Over a 90% issue rate, it's a one-page simplified issue application. You can also sell it online in as little as 7 minutes. We do direct deposits of commission every single day of the week, or we'll cut you a check. In addition to that, we have advances available to those who qualify. And there's no interest charged on your debit balance. This product, this plan, was built by briefcase-carrying insurance professionals, my father, my brother, myself, and numerous other people. Critical illness insurance is the way of the future. With healthcare reform, you want to be reform ready, and this is a product that's going to get you there. On our online enrollment system, you can also sell this using MasterCard or Visa. It's the way of the future, ladies and gentlemen. We have one of the most liberal height and weight guides in the marketplace. Our application submission, our underwriting guideline, our height and weight, our product information is on a bifold, a simple bifold. Our closest competition is over 30 pages. When you sell our product online, it takes less than 7 minutes. If your client wants a face amount of $100,000, fine. You hit select, you move right along to our fillable application form. Maybe you're putting a medical package together for them. You can click $40 a month, hit select, and move right along to our fillable application form. Our fillable application form is second to none. It pre-populates all the information for you so you can do what you do best, and that's sell insurance. Once you put the name, address on there once, it pre-populates all other forms. When it comes to the end, we have a neat system called ClickWrap. And all you need to do is click a couple pages, and when you submit it, all you need to do is go to your back office, submit that application, and it goes right to an underwriter's desk. We like to issue your business as much as possible. That's why we have an over 90% issue rate. Our online enrollment system is truly second to none. Like I said, that mortgage protection study was done by Harvard University. You can look it up online. The other facts and figures that I laid out for you, American Cancer Society, Heart Attack Stroke Society, you can look those up as well. You got to remember, protect your clients. It's not if a critical illness is going to strike, it's when it's going to strike. You got to remember that a check is always better than a get well card. Thank you so much, and please check out more of our website for the product training we do, the marketing material that we have. You can print it all out and get started immediately. You can sign up today with our online enrollment system and start writing business immediately. Just go to cbsinsurance.net and get started today. Please remember, we work for you. My personal cell phone number, office address, and email address is on all of our documents, and it's on our website. I cannot wait to answer your phone call. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.